I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Audi A5 rear lights. First, open your car's trunk to gain access to the rear light area. You'll find a small access panel or cover located directly behind the light assembly. Carefully remove this panel. Sometimes a flathead screwdriver can help you gently pry it open without causing any damage. This step reveals the internal components you need to reach. Next, you need to release the light assembly itself. Look for a single retaining pin or a large plastic nut that holds the light in place. This is usually accessible once the cover is off. Take your flathead screwdriver and insert it into the slot on the pin. Turn it counterclockwise several times until the pin is fully loosened and can be easily pulled out by hand. This is a crucial step for freeing the light. With the retaining pin removed, you can now carefully slide the entire light assembly away from the car's body. It might feel a little snug, so be patient and avoid using excessive force to prevent any scratches or damage. Once the assembly is mostly out, locate the electrical wiring harness connected to the back. Press the small release tab on the connector and gently pull it apart to fully disconnect the light unit. To install your new rear light, first connect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring it clicks securely. Then, carefully align the new light assembly with its mounting holes and locator pins on the vehicle. Gently push the light firmly into place until it sits flush. Reinsert the retaining pin and turn it clockwise to tighten it securely. Finally, test your lights to confirm they are working correctly. And hey, if you're looking for ways to brighten your financial future, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.